Today I want to talk to you about hope. I recently listened to a Dr. Brooke Goldner presenting at the Mindful Injury World Recovery Summit, and she was so inspirational that I thought I'd just do a brief video on hope. And she said hope is the opposite of depression. And during this time of the COVID-19, when we're all in our homes, I know a lot of people are starting to be depressed and they want to get out. And so her inspiration on hope, I thought I would share with you. And she gave some great ideas and visuals. She said, when a little toddler learns to walk and they fall down, they don't say, I'm not going to try anymore, I fell over. And I just had a friend who brought a little puppy over, and I watched the puppy whose body's big and floppy, and he tried over and over, and he would fall, but he would try again. He never gave up hope. And that's what I want to encourage you to do. I want you to keep hope. And what was said during this summit was you have to have a plan so you don't just give up. So if you try something and it doesn't work for that day, then you develop a plan and you try that plan the next day. And if it works, then you stick to that plan. If it doesn't work, then you develop a new plan. But you always keep hope. So during days when you're cooped up and you're feeling kind of blue, how do you keep hope? Well, they talked about you might put affirmations all over your home with happy thoughts, or saying you love yourself, or you love this day, or you love your children or your family. There are funny things that people are posting to entertain and provide music. There's shows that the actors and actresses and musicians and entertainers are putting on regularly. Today, it's a beautiful day. That's why I thought I'd film this. The flowers are blooming and it's spring. I'm in Southern California, so it's just a gorgeous day, and I'm trying to capture it here behind me so you can see the flowers that I enjoy. It gives me hope. And I thought I might read a couple of poems. I found a little bird's nest in my backyard yesterday, and the birds are flying in, and I'm hoping they're going to lay eggs, and I'm going to have little babies that I can watch grow up pretty soon. But my mom wrote a lot of poetry, and I published all her poems in a book in 2013. So I looked at it to see what she would write during this time. And here's one that she said, "Birds and trees in the woods." I thought it was relevant for this time where we need hope and where it's springtime. "The birds are the tenants in the tops of the trees. They reach out their arms and welcome thee. For the songs that they sing and the beauty they share bring much joy as they sing up there. Birds furnish the music to the rhythm and the sway, and the trees and the birds make music all day. When autumn comes and there is rain and snow, they shed a few tears, for they know they must go. But spring soon returns, and the cycle starts o'er, and the birds all they return to their homes once more." Isn't that nice? Another of my mom's poems that I wanted to share with you to give you hope today, to encourage you. It's called "Tomorrow is Not Promised." "Tomorrow is not promised us, so let us take today and make the very best of it, for once we pass this way. Just speak a kindly word or do a kindly deed, and try to help and understand some fellow creature's needs. Tomorrow is not promised us, so let us take today and make the very best of it, for once we pass this way." It's by Mary Blake, and it's from a book, A House Inside of Me. So today it's my hope that you won't be depressed, that you'll find things that give you joy and continue to give you hope. By the way, I have an Instagram. It's MB Huer. You can always send me a note, and I'll reach back to you. Blessings to you.